The erstwhile party list Solon from Bicol was the main talking point in the newly minted House Speaker's first plenary session and the first order of business to revoke his travel order and instruct his immediate return home. Our Mela Lesmoras has more on the Speaker's directive as the House preps for its first plenary debates on the 2026 national budget on Monday.
For his very first directive as the new leader of the House of Representatives, Speaker Faustino Boji D. III has revoked the travel clearance of Ako Bicol Party List Representative Elizalde Co. It can be recalled that Co recently traveled to the United States supposedly for medical reasons. In the notice issued by Speaker D, it was stated that Representative Co must return home within 10 days. This is because there are pressing national matters that he urgently needs to address. According to the House Speaker, if Co fails to comply, he may face the appropriate disciplinary and legal actions. Other lawmakers also called on their colleague to return home.
Napakahalaga na magpakita na siya kasi madalas ngang papangalanan o napangalanan siya lalo na dun sa affidavit ng yung sworn statement ni Curly Vizcaya, yung mag-asawa. Hindi pwede yan na na wala siya. Lalong nagdududa, nag-aagam-agam ang mga tao.
Sa akin lang, mahalaga na dapat ginagawa natin yung trabaho na una, binoto tayo at pangalawa, pinapasweldo tayo.
Among the issues being raised against Co are the questionable insertions he allegedly made in the 2025 national budget. He was also among those named as having supposedly received kickbacks from anomalous flood control projects, but he has previously denied these allegations. According to House Deputy Speaker Paulo Ortega, as their plenary deliberations on the proposed 2026 national budget is set to begin on Monday, lawmakers are expected to continue scrutinizing issues surrounding the government's infrastructure projects.
Very crucial itong mga susunod na linggo kasi nasa plenary na po yung ating budget. Sa tingin ko mag-iikot yan more on the infrastructure projects, sa schools, hospitals, farm to market road, yung mga basic na pangangailangan po.
For the minority bloc, they also reiterated their call for the House leadership to pass the resolution calling for an open BICAM.
I think that's a very powerful message that will send a strong signal as to the level of political will and the direction that the new leadership is taking. Kung seryoso tayo dito sa budget reforms, unahin natin yung pinakakaya at pinakamadali. Basta may political will, open BICAM tayo.
Mela Lesmoras from the National TV Network for a New and Better Philippines.